horsepower by design. High-Performance Powertrains at Wyotech teaches you the science behind maximum performance. You'll run powerful engines on a dyno, tuning carburetors and ECUs. Understand how race fuels such as alcohol can make real power safely. You'll experience cylinder head porting and polishing while learning from the pros. This is hands-on learning. This is real-world, high-octane, career-building training. If horsepower is your language, Wyotech speaks it fluently. Want to build something awesome from the ground up? Step up to Wyotech's Chassis Fabrication specialty, where you'll cut, bend, and weld custom projects. Learn how to notch, brace, and cage like a race car enthusiast. Get hands-on with plasma cutters, MIG and TIG welders, and tubing benders to shape raw steel suspensions and frames for high-performance machines or one-of-a-kind projects. From design to final weld, it's your build, your name, your legacy. This isn't just shop class, it's your first step into motorsports fabrication. In advanced diesel at Wyotech, you'll go deep into diagnostics, emissions, and engine systems that move the world. Learn how to chase down mechanical, electrical, and multiplexing issues like a pro. Big torque, big challenges, bigger opportunities. From bumper to mud flaps, get ready to rebuild, troubleshoot, power the machines that keep America running. If you're a fan of heavy equipment and big machines, advanced diesel is the path for you. Chrome, flames, custom curves. In Street Rod, you'll bring classic cars back to life and give them your own twist. Learn metal shaping, body fabrication, rust repair, and custom mods. Then take it further with airbrushing, pinstriping, flames, and candy paint. This is where raw classics meet modern style. If you've ever dreamed of turning a junkyard find into a showstopper, this is your shot. Don't throw it away. Build it, paint it, own it. Street Rod isn't just a class, it's a transformation. Get the skills to run the shop, not just work in it. Applied Service Management at Wyotech teaches you how to manage teams, tackle budgets, and lead customer service, all while getting your associate's degree. You'll dive into inventory, marketing, sales, and employee training, all while sharpening your leadership skills. This isn't just for the garage, it's for the business of building, fixing, and running the industry. Ready to run the shop? Get the management skills to your own future. Trim Upholstery. From classic cars to luxury jets, this program is one of a kind. Be ready for unlimited innovation, design, and creativity. Fabric, leather, and foam. You'll work with it all, bringing style and comfort to the seats that make a statement. At Wyotech, you'll learn how to craft and restore seats, interiors, and custom designs. Skills sought after by a wide range of industries. Want to turn your passion for design into a career? Trim and Upholstery at Wyotech could be your perfect fit.